Okay, this is how to put your character or anyone else's character to Roblox Studio. This is the first thing you're going to do if you're going to animate. First off, go to the toolbox section. Click model, then find plugins, then click it. Just wait for it to load. Then search for load character. Just get the free one here and install it. Then click the plugins bar on the top here. Now click the load character icon like this. And then type the person's username that you want to put in your workplace. Then press if you want R6 or R15, then it will load it. It can take a while to load, so be impatient, you impatient. Okay, you've learned something from YouTube, now you're welcome. And that's how to put your character in Roblox Studio. Also you can pose it. Pretty cool, huh?